How to fix call failed issue. On iPhone after iOS 18 update. If you're getting the frustrating call failed error when trying to make a call on your iPhone after updating to iOS 18, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few easy solutions to help fix the issue. First, let's try toggling airplane mode on and off. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the control center, tap the airplane mode icon to enable it, wait for about 15 seconds, and then tap it again to turn it off. Now, try making a call to see if that fixed the problem. If that doesn't work, you can check your calling line restriction settings with a quick dial code. Open the phone app and tap on the keypad at the bottom. Then enter *31 number and tap call. A message will pop up showing that the settings interrogation succeeded and calling line restriction is disabled. Dismiss the message and try making another call. Next, let's adjust some of your cellular settings. Go to Settings and tap on Cellular, then tap Cellular Data Options followed by Voice and Data. Select either 5G or 4G depending on your preference. After that, go back to Network Selection, toggle the automatic setting off and on again, and then go to Wi-Fi calling and turn it off. Check if the issue is resolved now. If none of the previous solutions worked, you can try resetting your iPhone's settings. To do this, go to Settings, tap on General, scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone, and select Reset. Choose Reset All Settings and confirm. This will reset your settings without deleting any data. After your phone restarts, the error should be fixed. And that's it. If this video helped resolve your iPhone's call problem, make sure to like the video. Thanks for watching.